Alright guys, don't bother watching this video. I am literally doing nothing but camera settings in the rain, and I didn't know it was going to rain, so I'm not going anywhere today. As a matter of fact, I'm almost done. I just wanted to jump in real quick, so don't waste your time on this. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll have something later, some commentary one day, but not today. It started raining. Didn't know before I got out here. Today, I guess we're going for a short ride. First of all, I turned off the stabilization completely. It just eats up too much video real estate. I got the EV compensation turned up to 2.0 now, because as you can tell, it's raining. It is not cold at all though. That's one good thing. But this is going to be a lot shorter than I thought it would be, because I'm just going to go for a loop, because this is basically just a camera test. Rule of thumb is the shutter time should be double what your frame rate is. My frame rate is 30 right now. I had my shutter turned to 1/60th of a second, but then it wouldn't let me do my EV compensation. So I decided to forego a shutter rate change and do EV compensation instead, just to see what that would do on a day like this. And then on a clear day, I'll mess with the shutter rate. That right there. With these gloves, it's pretty good. With my gauntlet gloves, not so good. Just go a little bit further. I'm staying in the neighborhood, so nothing too crazy today. I don't think I would have the camera out if it were raining any harder. With my microphone, it does bypass most of the waterproofness. It's still water resistant. I'm running at 30 frames per second. My exposure value is +2, and it is a rainy day, and I'm not doing anything except camera settings around the neighborhood. So the reason I post it is because I want to see it on a bigger screen. Not fun at all, and but thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.